Hello, in front of me I've got The Elder Scrolls Oblivion Remastered. In this video I'll show you how to find rare alchemy ingredients early in the game. In the beginning, let's go to Frostcrack Spire. Before you enter it, find this small camp under the tower. Right here there is a key to the tower. After you get the key, the Frostcrack Spire tower will be yours to use, and then you can furnish it with bed and chest where you can safely sleep and hide your items. Now go to living area and here you can find rare ingredients. The best thing is that they will grow back quickly. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.